Hello everyone, in this video we're going to make a vertical sticky sidebar navigation for your Squarespace site. So before I get started, thanks to Chang who reached out to me in YouTube land comments and asked me the question in the first place. So it's something I never really thought of doing. It has become quite popular over the past few years to have angled text, but yeah, I've never really thought of doing a tutorial about it. So thanks to Shay, I got it sorted in the end and I thought I'd share it with you guys to use on your site. So let's get started. So we've got our site, and if we come over to the navigation, these N2 are actually in the secondary navigation. So if we come to the pages tab, you'll see those two links are secondary navigation. Now this is what we're going to move over to this side, and we're going to put it vertically down this side of the screen. So if we just come back to design and then custom CSS, and because this is the secondary nav, we're going to put dot header hyphen nav hyphen secondary, and then squiggly brackets, come down a line. We're going to put width colon 100 VH semicolon. Then I'm going to put position colon fixed semicolon. So you can see it's actually fixed it on top of the navigation. Now if we scroll down, you can see it disappeared and reappeared. And don't worry about this, we'll fix this later on. I'm just going to come back over to the CSS. Next I'm going to put hyphen WebKit hyphen transform colon, and then I'm going to put rotate normal brackets minus 90 deg. Come outside of them normal brackets, I'm going to put translate capital X normal brackets, and then still within them brackets we're going to put minus 85%, and then come out of the brackets and put a semicolon down the line. So you can see we've actually moved it onto its side now, but it's stuck to the middle of the page. So what we need to do next is move it over to the left. So we're going to put hyphen WebKit again hyphen transform hyphen origin, and then colon left space top semicolon. You see now it's moved up to the top up here, so what we need to do now is just to bring it down a bit and over to the left. So we put left 0 semicolon text hyphen align colon, and I'm going to put center semicolon. So you can see it's completely disappeared now. That's because it's stuck behind some of the other elements. So what we need to do is just bring that up to the front. So to do that quite easily, we just come down, we go Z hyphen index colon, and for this I'm just going to put 1000, and then there we go, we've got our secondary navigation stuck down the side of the screen. So as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, leave us a thumbs up below. If you're not already, please do subscribe for more stuff like this, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. See ya.